Soon by Hell Viper, I was to come to all that with you. Soon Hell Viper, from the beginning of your videos, the people both started music, you always set trend on that side. But them na see Tony Montana video ball getting you know, it's like it's always you are always unique with your videos and like videos you they getting them that they set example and they set Barbie
high.
Yeah,
even production quality sound.
Yeah.
So the glow sound, you see what I'm become the production quality before I put in effort into it.
Yeah.
And joke with production quality with video or sound.
Yeah, that congrats on that. So them on new flow from the beginning of you. You knew slow what we are gonna get to that.
Definitely,
I got a lot of questions for you.
I'm
not letting a flow with that. So I just want us to flow from the beginning of Viper. Like young father time is state of mind.
Yeah.
State of mind. Time well and new state of mind. The def combination big arms, you know, psycho, I don't know, few of you artists we are doing some collab some T smalls. Young father look at those days. Yeah, those days bokon na sulu len nature because man mang ne fatale ko ne da ngeen da mëna ñew studio ñu tegal la beat fat nga bina bag 6 bar 8 bar
on the spot bro
yeah, let's talk about those days of state of mind with An One. You know, An One lu bari la def ci yeen, you know, you faté An, you know.
An amut morom boy.
Yeah, because some mixtape man la ma ngi fatale ko some mixtapes
and the first sound you mo don record state of mind la.
Yeah.
Now I'm saying ma ngi dem school man fa ñew ma ngi xam nga. Now I'm saying and boy, and therefore boy from Monday Mori to everybody seen boy, and therefore contribute a huge part quarter see build game. You know what I'm saying? And Sonaluton can because and therefore they come boy, I'm on hands.
Wow.
Boy, you get doing down you get them school you get after I'm 18 years, maybe 18, 19 years. You know what I'm saying? He supported, he gave his sweat, boy, yo. So that's to An One, bro.
Like then what about your mixtapes those days?
Yeah.
Send mixtapes in how you can produce it. It's very interesting for you what because those days send mixtapes then you can produce. Dama dey gis so len demé on open mic then you ko dey amé ci bag. Because most of the time CD era most of the time Gambian artists you bari ko gis T small muy yo muy man anybody sweet extate mu ngi amé bag fi. That's secret of that bag la bu that's secret of that bag la bu ñu watane because mixtapes for now mixtapes
but see that was the backpack era. You know, it was Soul Bag was just apart from America's mixtape CDs it's a bag it was just fashion then.
Okay.
It was just fashion and I think it's still fashion to a lot of young kids.
Okay.
Because they have to just them school and they have school. So Bagby was still part of you.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Especially so I made bag one that for over dope community. You know what I'm saying? It was part of it. So back in the days, I mean, it was the CD era.
CD era.
So some mixtape lang ko mga ko am sa bag right. Because nga dos ata sa fan la boy nakala ba jay mo sa CD nga collect ba.
So let's talk about the CD era.
People bro, we were making mad money of CD sales.
Like seriously?
But then jay CDs like literally bro billahi wallahi tala man certain ako do Mnizul shy boy mo produce mixtape am bi. You know what I'm saying? Mnizul boy then produce CDs you print yep you ñëwaat ñu print the same thing ak man suma scriptures ama ko daan drop si ay restaurant yi ni amé ko suma bag bi ni yep day jeex tak ñu delluwaat ñu printaat ñu printaat back to back bro.
So time wo ñaata ngeen daan jaay li ni
ñu ko jaay 100 so now I'm saying ñu ko jaay 100 so mën nga
ma fatale ko time bu 100 pass nekké $3 $4 xawma those the days where taxi come like from Caraba Avenue to Westfield
$5
fini traffic lights to Westfield left down $4 how much $3.
Oh okay.
It's $3.
Okay.
$3 la one.
No, $3 time.
Okay.
No. Maybe $5.
$5
$5 time.
So those days nga don jaay CD $100.
$100. Te $100 time boobu la gën a am value léegi.
Waaw ma la feel.
Yeah, ma feel. So they don't over make money of CD sales. Know what I'm saying? And you know, it is what it is. Léegi yëpp streaming la.
Yeah, ma la feel. Léegi nañ waxtaanee like the coming of open mic. You've been part of the movement. Like the movement, that movement is a huge movement in Gambian music. Movement boobu noonu bokk na si lu defar ñu bari artiste yu bari tey seen branding seen everything it comes from open mic te yow looking nga bokk nga si artiste yu nga xamante ne yéen a defar open mic soo déggee nga ne open mic it's because of few of you guys understand let's talk about the movement of open mic yow you started from the Christian council.
Yeah, come on, bro. And that's the crazy shit, boy, bro. When Wagan, I can remember clearly Wagan boy, Munamane boy, but Nakala boy, then we're gonna start open mic. We just gonna have a show every Friday or every 2 Friday, Fatina Balla one, but it was basically every Friday or every 2 Friday. Oh yes. So Manako, yeah, Manako like, all right. You know, then I was like, all right, because I wasn't even taking it seriously.
Yeah.
I didn't even know. It was just like, okay, Bernard Sole on the MC. Christian Council started.
Right.
That was even before.
Yeah.
That was even before you started.
Giancarlo on the streets. Yeah, on the street.
Christian Council.
Yeah.
Now I'm saying, I was like, okay, cool. So we started having the open mics, and boy, getting X-Miles, huh? At Wagan, they played an incredible role in Gambian music. Gambian music, third generation, moi la wax ni, mooy ñun suñ generation. Mooy Gambian music, bu mu deekee waat. Comme ñii ñooy pilas yi. Blacklings. Comme ñoo génnee gars yi loolu. Now I'm saying, and it hurts me that today people don't even regard them.
soo gisee ma revive waxtaan bi. dama feel like ne yéen open mic dafa am lu bëri lu mu def si yéen.
Apart from ñun sax open mic moo tax generation music bi tey mu am. Comme from ñun suñu generation bi tey su nekkoon open mic yoon bi dafa doon nekka. Comme ñun duñ doon apprécier duñ doon respect. Blacklings mooy first Gambian radio show boo xam ne 100% Gambian music la ñoo play gangster. So ñooñu booy ñoo ko start. So mooy loolu gang
maa fi léegi nañ waxtaanee like open mic festival si bu mu starté like dafa am ñu bari ñu doon waxtaanee ne comme like the beginning bi like you guys were rendering your service but then dafa grow bu mu growee Jalima di ñëwoon na fi laajte woon naa ko about the issue of the open mic, the fade away of the open mic, which we really want to talk about from few of you guys you nga xamante ni you were part of the open mic. You know, open mic bi gis nañ mu jékki-jékki rek mu fade away. Foog nga ne lan moo taxoon mu fade away with all that branding, everything lu doon daw. Let's talk about it.
Man, personally, I felt like the main thing lu rey open mic was not able to make the transition into the new phase of music, new era of music. Because music, every 5 years to 10 years, era bit of they change.
Wow.
Now I'm saying, most artists 5 years more than hit period after they come and say, but a whole era changes maybe 5 to 10 years. So what happened was, open mic, things new ekatiwad music be. Defar boy, including man and everybody else, Blacklings basically. So they defer directly, defer indirectly. So boy Tammy, them be grew. Now open mic was the only show on stadium. Boy grew be taller for him like boy Tammy them stadium. So boy bu commencé dem stadium, new era of music happen na léegi. Change na. Now open mic foog mu survive ak era boobu. Now open mic mu ngi compete ak
with the same
people ñu defar léegi. So waaye ñoom nekkuñ di ko gis because that last open mic bu flop bu doxutoon at boobu la Jizzle ST dem second time stadium.
Jizzle tamit the
first time stadium. Very interesting. Open mic boobu noonu tamit la mooy first open mic boo xam ne they were making a switch of bringing foreign artists
in. It was not favoring the fans. Fans yi ñu ngi ko doon def a challenge ne comme dafa teel. Tamit rumors tamit daf dee dañ dee wax si rumors ne tamit the same artist ñu open mic bill ñoo fire back.